If you notice on the 4th floor, the implosion is expected as the debris falls towards the inside of the building with a shear wall blocking the way to fall from the next lot over. As I remove debris that might fall on me in the cab, I see a center point at the center column, the column of 3. It's weighted down for an expected implosion once I get the debris removed from the front of the building and away from the machine. As you can see, away from the car park to your left is pointing in the direction of the center of the building, as are the blades of the windowsills pointed towards the center column. As expected, I can see a weak point near the center column to the right of my shear. I rake away the debris. Shove a little heavy towards the center, and down she comes. Perfect. As it's a little dusty, the water suppression at the end of the 145-foot stick suppresses it.